Hey there, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing world of REALME, a brand that continues to make a formidable impact in the consumer electronics market. If you're a proud owner of the REALME C55, we have something incredibly useful for you. The REALME C55 LCD Replacement. Whether it's for a minor mishap or a major fall, we'll discuss why this component is a must-have for your device. Let's face it, the REALME C55 is a fantastic smartphone, known for its sleek design, impressive performance, and user-friendly interface. But, as with any device, it isn't immune to life's little accidents. If you've ever dropped your phone and been greeted with a cracked screen, you know just how frustrating and stressful that experience can be. That's where the REALME C55 LCD Replacement comes to the rescue. This high-quality replacement screen is meticulously designed to fit seamlessly into your REALME C55, ensuring that you can continue to enjoy an exceptional user experience. Manufactured from durable materials, the LCD replacement features resilience that gives you confidence it won't shatter or crack easily. If you've experienced issues with aftermarket screens before, you're in for a pleasant surprise with this one. Not only is it made to the same high standards as the original, but its installation process is also a breeze. Now, let's talk about ease of installation. We know that not everyone is a tech-savvy expert or a DIY enthusiast. The good news? The REALME C55 LCD Replacement comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions designed for users of all experience levels. Whether you're a novice or someone comfortable working with tech, you won't have to worry about damaging your phone during the installation process. And thanks to the precise craftsmanship, your replacement screen fits perfectly each time. But wait, there's more. Investing in a REALME C55 LCD Replacement not only breathes new life into your phone, but can also save you money in the long run. Replacing a damaged LCD is significantly more affordable than buying a brand new device. In conclusion, the REALME C55 LCD Replacement is an absolutely essential accessory for anyone who owns this brilliant device. With its high-quality materials, perfect fit, and user-friendly installation process, it guarantees a seamless and enjoyable experience. You won't just be fixing a screen, you'll be reviving your phone and restoring its functionality. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tips, tricks, and reviews. We love connecting with fellow tech enthusiasts, so let us know in the comments if you have any questions about the REALME C55 or any other device. Until next time, happy teching, and keep enjoying your gadgets to the fullest.